DIYers, hey, what's going on, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel? Thank you for watching. We are referencing a GE electric laundry center, and in the event that your laundry center washing machine is not turning on, we're going to show you a quick reset that will hopefully reconfigure your system. Let's get started. DIYers, here we are at the laundry center, and we have a GE model, and again, we are going to direct our attention to the washing machine. The left side is where we turn the washing machine on. On the right hand side is the dryer settings and knob. However, there's the dryer start and there is the washer start, and in the event that it is literally not turning on, we are going to perform a system reset, and we're going to come up to the actual power cord and connection and carefully disconnect it. DIYers, this is a high voltage connection and power cord. Do your absolute best to pull it out evenly so you don't damage anything. And there's the opposite end. As you see, power supply, and I'm going to bring that down and do your absolute best not to just allow it to fall on the floor. It might actually get trapped behind the center and become difficult to grab. We are going to leave this disconnected for a minimum of 5 minutes. DIYers, we are back with you. It has been 5 minutes, and during that 5 minutes, what I recommend doing is just inspecting the power cord and electrical leads. And in the event that they are extremely rusted or corroded, that's an issue. Go ahead and carefully clean them, and down below in the comments and description will be a link to a tool that we recommend to use. Alright DIYers, hey, quick break in the action, and believe it or not, this power cord can actually fail. However, again, first glance, we want to check for corrosion, rust, or any damage to these electrical contacts or leads that come out of the power cord head. And if all looks good, which in our case it does, again, the power cord itself can be faulty. And as you follow the entire power cord all the way to the opposite side, it splits off into 3 separate connection points. And either one of those connection points can be faulty. And how can they be faulty? Well, it's simple. Your system may have experienced a power surge or overcurrent or overload and damaged your power cord. And the most common cause for that to occur is a household power outage while the appliance is plugged into the outlet. And once power is restored, it sends that electrical current directly back to the 240 voltage outlet. And if the power cord is still connected, again, it can create a power surge, or in other words, a shock of electricity to the power cord itself, and it can damage the power cord. So with that said, down below in the comments and description also will be a link on how to properly and safely replace your power cord, as well as where to purchase one. In addition, come up to the outlet as you see here, and again, just check the overall condition of that. Make sure there is no moisture present, rust, corrosion, or anything. And if that looks good, we are going to come back down here, grab the power cord, properly align it, and reconnect it. And now to a close-up view. And you want that power cord pressed in and flush with the outlet as shown here. Coming back down. And I recommend waiting maybe 10 seconds. And as you can see, wash is illuminated. And we are not going to start the actual washing machine. Bring this up. Here's the inside where our agitator and bowl are. And if that does not help, DIYers, right inside here is your lid switch. And this actually goes inside that slot and compresses the lid switch and activates the electrical connection and current and sends that electrical signal to the control board, which is right inside here. So in the event that this reset does not work, we do have a second reset. We will have that down below in the comments and description. Perform that first. And if that doesn't work, it's on to replacing your lid switch or the control board inside here. And both of which we will have down below in the comments and description. DIYers, we hope this helps. Do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And again, down below is a link to a second reset where we will direct our attention to the household circuit breaker panel and perform a system reset. Taking a step back, and before we wrap the video up, DIYers, in the event that you have replaced parts or you have owned the laundry center for many years and you've gotten to a point where you know what, it's just time to replace it, check out the link down below in the comments and description. We will show you how to properly prepare your laundry center for pickup. And there's a right way to do that, there's a wrong way to do that. And anytime you purchase a new washing machine or appliance and you pay for the pickup, there are specific guidelines on how to prepare your appliance for pickup. And we will show you that. In addition, we will install a brand new pad that will catch water. And this one is 29 by 33. And we'll have a link down below where to purchase that. And that will go directly on the very bottom of that. And we will install that here shortly.